Hey, hello there, what's up? Have you started a new business project or launched a brand and about to start or invest in branding activities? Thinking about creating a logo, which is very important and essential because that is the base and we should design that before doing other thing in branding. If yes, then watch this video. This is just for you because in this video, you will learn how you can use Microsoft Paint, which is free and available on Windows, to create a professional logo. So once you have created your professional logo, you can jumpstart creating your visiting card, your invoices, and your other print or digital medias. So why are you waiting for? Let's get started. Hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and you are watching chapter #ways to online, where we show you how you can transform your online presence into business tool and save cost and time. Besides, we also show you how you can create Google website using Google G Suite without hosting, without AMC and design charges. In today's video, I will show you how you can design professional logo using Microsoft Paint. This is second video of my video series business branding, and in my previous video I have started this logo designing tutorial. So I recommend you first watch that video. The link is above or below, and then start watching this. If you have already seen that, cool. Just watch this video and design your first logo and amaze the world. And what next? You can use that in your various social media profile. You can use that in your visiting card, in your invoice, and whatever you can think at present in that thing. I will gradually show those things also, how you can use your logo in your visiting card, in your invoices, in your social media platforms. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, just subscribe it. It is very helpful for vloggers like us because this gives us lots of motivation, and at the same time you will get notification when I will upload all those videos I have just mentioned. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So now I'm opening Microsoft Paint from Start menu and also opening the sample file which I will show you here to create. Now I'm typing the text, and also I have additionally typed M. The reason I will show you now. So I have deleted the unwanted part of M, and then I am copying another part and creating a complete M, because the font I used, cursive Gothic, was not having this type of M which I need. Now I have deleted the default M and will replace that with the edited M I have just created. Now I will delete that extended part of M with eraser, because if you see my sample logo, it is what I have done in Paint right now. Now it is placed between A and B. Now what I am doing here is I am using the same M to write ITI. I am deleting the part of M and separated that into 3 parts. Now I will create little bit space, and now the space is equally distributed. Now T, I have taken square tool, and now I have written the part of T. Now I am writing the second word, which is success. I have changed the color. Now I have to write 2C. The second C in different color I have written. I'm changing the font size, and then I'm placing this inside C, and also changing the size so that it fits within the other C. Now I'm writing E and extending its path to create an arrow. It is done. Now I have changed the color of Ambition to my brand color. Now inverted commas, because I will put E inside inverted comma, because E represent electronics, digital and other thing, which is part of my chapter #ways to online. So as this was not available in cursive Gothic in Paint, that's why I have drawn it using square and brush tool. Now I will create a square, and inside that I will write .co.in. My design is finished. Hope you like this video. If so, then please like, comment and subscribe, and also share this with your friends and family. This is all about this. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.